the genie where the food is lit and your mouth just may water. Today we gonna be whipping it up with a very special guest. Ooh! The beautiful and lovely.
Hey, I'm Lola. How you doing? Who am I? I am a person who loves to eat food. And lovely Jeannie here was like, yo, whip something up. I said, okay. And now we're here.
Yeah. So tell us a little about where you're from. What is this dish inspired by culturally?
So originally, I'm from the Bronx, New York. I've been living in San Diego for like what? Ooh, it's been like 7 years now. And since being here, you know, everybody's been on their like healthy eating shit. So I had to definitely get used to the different diet forms of eating compared to like being back home, having home cooked meals that were predominantly like meat based, rice and beans, all that good shit. You know, a lot of dairy and cheese. The memory still holds, you know. But since moving here and like having all this, you know, knowledge and shit and having more farmlands, a bitch was like, you know, we should probably eat better. That should look good as fuck. Oh, this camera too. So today I'll be teaching y'all or showing y'all how to make moro, which is like Spanish rice, with veggies as a meat substitute. We got some zucchinis in there. We got some squash. This was inspired by my mom, one of her recipes, and you can never forget the salad because you know you need all of your fucking shit there. All of that. So stay tuned and we're gonna show you. Girl, look! These are beautiful. Using coconut oil because that shit's great. Okay. And because I ran out of olive oil, but same shit. And then next, my mom likes to add tomato paste because we're making Spanish spice. It's supposed to just give it the color, but also give it a little like flavor. When you add everything else, it doesn't taste the tomato-y. So Fito, usually we make this shit, but I can't make this shit. So use Goya as the cheese. No such thing as too much garlic. Okay, so we're gonna try a little new trick now. We're gonna throw the bitch in there, okay? Boom. You just told me sticks and stems add more flavor. Oh, we're gonna do that. So usually, I don't taste my shit. But today I'm like, since I got company and shit, let me taste it. I don't think it's that bad. I don't think it's that bad. Here. Not you.
It's perfect.
You know, the water's starting to boil.
When I cook, I don't taste my things I don't taste my things.
You don't?
Until
Yeah,
like after, but like, yeah.
You take 2 eggs. Now, last step, always some avocado. Well, we listen to avocado. It's so pretty.
Hella. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you'd like to make this dish on your own, be sure to take notes if you'd like to make this dish on your own at home. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you. All right, now you gotta take.
Now we're gonna take a look. Taste.
You gotta get a little bit of everything, you know, a little bit of rice, you know, get a little bit of veggie. Oh, hold on. And, you know, cheers. A little shallot. That's right now.
Filling AF. Bro. Eat this 3 times a day, you'll fucking gain the weight you want.
And that's the move. That is the move.
Bro, avocado, eggs.
So maybe you could eat this shit for breakfast. If you really want to. ¿Te gusta? ¿Sí, Ale?